Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, H sign. This is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on. So Capricorn, let's see your messages. Capricorn. Under the deck, the Magician. I think you are manifesting something into your life, yeah. But you are in this energy, so you are manifesting whatever you want because the money, the love, and everything. Yeah, you are in this energy, Capricorn. So let's see your reading. Maybe for some, your person may be trying to manifest you back if you are in separation. So in recent past, Ace of Cups, the Tower, and Two of Cups. I think there is love between both of you. You both are soulmates. There is no doubt. There is love. But something happened between you and your person, the Tower moment. Maybe for some it is separation, for some it is no contact. Okay? So yeah, but still there is love between both of you because there is Ace of Cups and Two of Cups. You both are strong soulmates. Maybe for some you both could be twin flames. Definitely there is love between both of you. But I think Capricorn, maybe you are undergoing some Tower moment due to your relationship, or it could be any other reason, but something is happened in your life has happened because the Tower moment. So right now what is going? Four of Wands, Judgment, and Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, you want your person back. You want reconciliation if you are in separation. Judgment is realizing and want reconciliation. But now you are concentrating on your career. Maybe you are struggling in your career and finances. You want to achieve your financial stability. Right now you are concentrating on your career, and right now you are achieving abundance in your life, achieving financial stability. What I'm getting here. Yes, Four of Wands, you both could be twin flames also. Definitely there is so much love between both of you guys, and Judgment. I think you are going to make some major decision regarding this connection, what I'm getting here, because the Judgment card is here. And near future energy, Ace of Swords, Four of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely you are dealing with your finances. Six of Pentacles, you are balancing your finances and you are investing your money into different businesses. Yeah, these are money management. And Four of Swords with Page of Swords, maybe you are in no contact with your person. Maybe near future this will be no contact. Maybe you are undergoing some healing process, but your person is spying on you on social media if you are in separation, in no contact. Yeah, and you are thinking about to offer equal give and take in this connection. Maybe in past this connection there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now you want offer equal give and take. Yeah, because Four of Swords, you are not talking to them and you are undergoing some spiritual awakening meditation, but you are thinking them a lot. Spying is going. Maybe they may be spying on you on social media, but there is love between both of you. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Then we will see what's going on. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Ten of Swords. I think there is separation. Your person also feeling this pain. They want rebirth in this connection for some. Let's see your person current feelings. Capricorn, your person current feelings. Yeah, they are heartbroken. I think you both strong twin flame connection between both of you are soulmates. Yeah, Star under the deck. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Yeah, this is a strong soulmate connection or a strong twin flame. Yeah, you person want to invest on this connection, the Emperor. Maybe you person have some ego problems also. Four of Wands. They really want reconciliation if you are in separation, or if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. But right now, you person feeling heartbroken. If you are in relationship, maybe you person having some other issues in their life. Maybe they are now in this situation, Capricorn. Yeah, but in relationship wise, they want this with you, celebration and happy family. Yeah, they want to commit to you. Commitment is coming. If there is no commitment in past, the star definitely they're hoping for this connection, and they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Hierophant, yeah, commitment is coming in. And a King of Cups, Two of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And Knight of Pentacles, yeah, they're coming back. If you are in separation, yeah, your person is coming back. But this time they're sincere. They really want to offer stability to this connection. And King of Pentacles means very slow moving energy, but they're coming. Yeah. They really want to come towards you. They really want to offer this commitment to you. Yeah, they want to commit to you. They're thinking about you a lot. They're wondering about you a lot. Maybe for some, Two of Wands is here. Yeah, they have love for you because King of Cups is here. They do have love for you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But under the deck, Hierophant, definitely in past maybe you in this connection commitment issues, but now commitment is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome, Capricorn. Knight of Swords and Three of Swords, and under the deck, Eight of Swords. I think your person may be waiting for the right time to come towards you. That's why they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they turn their back from you, or you turn your back from them. And your person right now feeling stuck also. Eight of Swords energy. Yeah, they want to rushing towards you, but they are taking their time because they're waiting for the right time, because Three of Wands is a waiting game also. And again, could be long distance relationship. Yeah, they really want to come towards you, but they're taking their time, Capricorn. Yeah, Page of Cups, apology, Hermit. Yeah, why they are taking their time? Because right now they are undergoing some transformation. Maybe you are undergoing some transformation. Yeah, they're waiting for the result. Seven of Pentacles, it could be you. You are already invested in this connection, Capricorn, waiting for your person to come back. Yes, apology is coming towards you. Definitely they're waiting for the right time. Yes, but they're coming back to you surely but slowly, because Knight of Pentacles, and an apology is also coming in your way. Okay, yeah, maybe you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. The Virgo, the person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. Yeah. So some waiting. I think in divine timing, you both will be reconciled, what I'm seeing here. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Virgo especially. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. The World, King of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Communication, definitely, because Page of Cups, a message, communication, truth coming out. Separation, cold shouldering. Maybe in past they didn't treat you well. Maybe there is trust issues between both of you. King of Cups, but now they really want to offer this love to you. And World, long distance relationship, they want reconciliation with you. Maybe for some the same cycles are repeating between you and your person. Maybe this is on and off connection between both of you. They are not consistent in relationship, but now they want to offer commitment. So let's see your person overall energy, Capricorn. Yeah, they won't give up on you. Seven of Wands, Ten of Wands, High Priestess. Yeah, they're feeling stuck. That's why they're taking their time. They want to come towards you. They want to rush towards you, but they're feeling stuck. They're listening to inner voice. They're listening to a higher self. They are right now busy with their work, busy due to family responsibilities, whatever maybe the reason could be. But your person right now feeling overstressed and overburdened, but they won't give up on you. 7 of Wands. Yeah, they will try until you will give second chance to them. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they really want to take this relationship to next level, like marriage, whatever. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle check for you, Capricorn. A personal issue reaches resolution. Yes. So if you are having any problem in your personal life, definitely solution is coming. Yeah, a personal issue reaches resolution. Maybe they are coming back. Please don't ignore them. Resolve the issues between you and your person. Okay, this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.